Hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna get straight into this Che breakdown tutorial. He just had a new album, so I figured I try to come up with something hard, something catchy, and we'll be using a lot of my sound. Started off with this right here. You guys cannot come up with a catchy melody, you're absolutely cooked. So what I did here is, real basic, really basic. And the only thing that was different was command U to chop stuff up and then create some type of like random rhythm. So thought that was interesting and or different. Added this other pluck, same thing. Like super crazy, the same thing. The only thing that's on here really is distortion cold fire is the only thing that's on here with this elastic delay. To turn this down a little bit, it's kind of pretty loud. We did this little pluck rhythm right here. We added this little like counter melody right here. This is in Xenology. This is my AWOL synth on my Combine preset pack. It's available now. It's great for all the. It's got some brasses in there if you want to make Ken Carson stuff, and of course Che stuff. It's got some EFX motions on there as well with this digital ghost preset. This is my bank. So I copy and pasted the exact same pattern. The only thing I did was I just chopped it even further and then highlighted them and then Alt-Y to flip them horizontally just to change things up. You guys can make so many different patterns by using the same melody that you guys created. Right, grab these, you can grab these, pitch them up, pitch them down, stay within that key, and just flip the sound around. This is one of the last things I added right here, just a bell synth preset. It's the same thing that we've been doing the entire beat. Added this counter melody again. It's like a sine, really cool sound actually. Let me solo it really quick. That sounded really cool, really interesting. We added one more pattern. I know it's like patterns on top of patterns. Just a little stab here and there. And then EFX motions, same thing. Just another EFX motions with the Digi Ghost preset from my preset bank. It is available and it is on sale because we are doing I'm the I'm the owner, I'm the only person over there. I don't know why I said we. Doing a 50% off sale for the new year. Lastly, one more lead. And this is what the entire melody sounds like. Alright, let's get into the drums. Nothing insane, nothing like real groundbreaking, just hard hitting drums. I'll get into the effects as well, so here we go. Like the only thing that's different is like just add some freaking sound effects. I did like some open hatch right here. Just this drink, like some rapper just sipping some lean or something. Like there ain't nothing crazy about this this drum bounce. But when we get into the 808s, I did do something different. So the first 808 has more rhythm, and then I just counteracted that with this 808 right here. I added that, so that's just gonna play off each other, and then I added something different right here on this last one. Something different. If you guys want to see really what that is, I just did like a velocity change and then a cutoff, so adds to that like extra punch. That's pretty much gonna be the beat. Let me play this from the top. The arrangement's pretty easy. I just had everything play, then took out the middle, and then as on the 8-bar verse, I cut all of this out. So the main sounds are really cut for rapper to feel like there's an actual transition. Then I just panned it, or then I just copy pasted it, and that is what we have. So let me know if you guys wanted me to break down another one of these style beats. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.